Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this angel devil edit on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your videos, go to mask. Actually, I'm just going to scale it down, go to cutout and select auto cutout first, like so. And then you're just going to hit mask and you're going to select circle and you're just going to kind of feather that out just a little bit. You can enlarge it if you want to. Then you're going to select the effects button and you're going to go to the body effects and you're going to search for angel. Then you're going to place this effect to the video. I'm then going to copy and paste that. I'm going to then delete this one and then I'm going to search for the devil one and I'm just going to place it on the other video and I'm just going to place it to the other side. And you can switch in between, maybe have it here, but it's up to you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.